Okay, now let us see the modal verbs in German. Okay, so totally we have 6 modal verbs in German. They are müssen, können, sollen, dürfen, wollen and mögen. Okay, there's a kind of another verb which is called möchten, but that is derived from mögen, so we'll see it later. So now let us see the conjugations of these modal verbs. Basically, these 6 modal verbs are irregular verbs. Okay, what are they? They are irregular verbs. So since I taught you already, the irregular verbs conjugation will be changing. It doesn't follow the verb conjugation pattern. So let's see some modal verbs conjugation. Let's start with müssen. What is the meaning of müssen? The meaning of müssen is must. So for ich, the conjugation will be like muss. For ich, it is muss. For du, it is musst. For du, it is what? Must. For RSZ, it is muss. For RSZ, it is what? Muss. For wir, ihr and this both these, it will follow the regular verb conjugation. See, müssen, müsst, müssen. Exactly like the regular verb conjugation. Am I right? So, where are the irregular verbs conjugation is getting changed? It is with the ich, du, RSZ. And the rest of all comes like a regular verb. So next let us go to the other verb. Okay, now let us see the conjugations of können. The meaning of können is can. So the conjugation goes like for ich it is kann. For ich it is what? Kann. And for du it is kannst. For du it is kannst. For RSZ it is kann. And as I told you already, for wir, ihr and this two z's, the conjugations are not going to change. See, exactly it's going to be können. For ear it is könnt. For this two z's it's können. Most of the students used to make this mistake. What they'll do is they'll write like kon, konst, kon. It is not like that. The stem of the verb will be changing for the modal verbs for the singular persons. Only in plural persons it is going to change like the regular verb. Okay. So let's move on to the next verb, which is sollen. The meaning of sollen is shall. What is the meaning of sollen? It is shall. So let us go to the conjugation. For ich, it is soll. For ich, it is soll. For du, it's sollst. For du, it is sollst. For RSZ, it is soll. And for wir, ear, then these, it's going to be like a regular conjugation format. See, sollen, sollt and sollen. See, you can see here there is no umlauts here. Am I right? Yeah, this is a unique one. So next, the dürfen. Dürfen means the meaning is may. What is the meaning of dürfen? May ought to be allowed. Okay. So the conjugation will be like for ich, it is darf. For ich, it is darf. For du, it is darfst. For du, it is darfst. For RSZ, it is darf. For RSZ, it is darf. For wir, it is dürfen. For ihr, it is dürft. And for this z and this z, it is dürfen. Okay. And next comes the verb wollen. Wollen means want. So for ich, the conjugation will be will. For du, it is willst. For RSZ, it is will. For wir, it is wollen. And for ihr, it is wollt. And for this z and this z, it is wollen. Okay. So you can see the similarities between sollen and wollen. They don't have any umlauts in their conjugation. But even though their stem are getting changed. And the last verb, which is mögen. Mögen, the meaning is to like. Okay, what is the meaning of mögen? Like. So let's see the conjugations now. For ich, it is mag. For ich, it is mag. For du, it is magst. What's the meaning of, what is the conjugation for du? It is magst. For RSZ, it is mag. And for wir, it is mögen. For ihr, it is mögt. And for z and z, we have mögen here. So what you have to do is, since you can see many changes in the singular form, you have to memorize all the modal verbs conjugation. only then you can use it in a sentence, because the rules of the modal verbs are going to change a little bit in the sentence. Let's see how it changes in the sentence.